Hey everyone! So this is just a quick little tutorial on how to do the independent reading project. So if you scroll down on our Schoology page, you'll see a folder labeled or marked independent reading project. That is where you will find all of this information. So there is the instructions and rubric. There's a sample commercial that I just did the other day for you, and then a commercial transcript that you can use to kind of help you get started. So what I did is I went to Google Docs and I just created all of the slides that I wanted to use for my commercial. And so I put them all on there. And then I created a transcript for myself. So once I had all of my ducks in a row, then I went to Screencast-O-Matic. So I literally just typed this into Google search. Sometimes it will pop up with a screen that says, open Screencast-O-Matic launcher version 2.0. You would just click on open and then click on launch free recorder. And what will happen is a screen will pop up and it has on there, if you take a look, a little frame along with a recording button, and it will count down for you. So you can just move that over to your slideshow, and it should be easy peasy. So your commercial should be anywhere from 2 to 5 minutes. If you have any questions, please feel free to let me know. Good luck, folks.